Just inspecting this blue water filtration unit. That's a portable system with the chilled and sparkling dispenser at the front here. Inside we have the water source connected up by the hose into the Grundfos constant pump. It then takes the water out of the pump, goes to the first filter, then it goes into a UV sterilisation unit, then down through a blue water filtration system, back out into another 2 filters, and then across into this system which can deliver chilled, sparkling and also ambient water back out through the dispensers in the front. And you'll see we've got a DigiFlow controller here, displays how many litres the system's delivered, and then back out the front to the dispensers here.